Rich, I've been using your chameleon for the last year or so and trying to learn what's happening under the ground and base my irrigation off the colours. And now I can go to a website, vi.farm, and actually see the record of what's happening for each crop that I grow. Why did you decide to put it on the internet?
Okay, Dave, so at first it was great fun looking at the colours, but really if you want to learn you need to see the whole season. And not only that, you need to know what you did last year. And we do a lot of work in Africa on schemes, and we need to know what every farmer's doing. We need to see which farmer's got the highest yields and which pattern got the highest yield. And what that means is we've got to be able to sort the data out. We've got to be able to collect it efficiently. We've got to send it to the website. We've got to be able to quickly generate patterns for every farmer who's part of our Virtual Irrigation Academy.
So Rich, this year with my tomatoes, one of the things I found using the chameleon that I was watering too frequently for a short period of time.
Yeah.
And so changed that to less frequent waterings, but for probably double the length of time that I was before,
Okay.
which meant that the water is actually getting down to 40 centimeters where it looked like most of the roots were.
Yeah.
What are you finding through the vi.farm with farmers and what's their experience?
Okay, so we're starting to collect patterns, just like you said there, that you got a pattern which you didn't expect, and many people are finding that they're getting patterns they didn't really expect. But one of the things that's probably the most common is people using too much water. And when you use too much water, you leach the nutrients through. So some of the biggest successes we've had is people cutting back on irrigation, skipping irrigations, and actually getting high yields.
So at the moment I've got the one chameleon and the one array in the ground, and I'm looking to really scale up and get more of an idea what's happening in the other crops.
Okay.
How do I get my hands on more sensors?
Okay, so Dave, over the last 4 years, you've been my prototype tester, one of them, but we are now starting what we call a beta test program, and we're inviting people to get involved. We're still designing, and we're going to use people's feedback to improve the design. So you just go to via.farm, you click the Get Involved button, it'll tell you how to get the gear, and it'll will make you part of the Virtual Irrigation Academy. Look, this is just what we needed. Another 20 readers.